Hey, I just met someone in the street, but he's also picking bottles for a living. So I wanna.
So basically, I found this crazy guy with his tracking machine here behind me. I don't know this guy. He's crazy. He told me like he's collecting bottles and stuff. But I like this idea because the bottles are money. Money is on the street, guys. We are here in Munich. It's a very expensive city, so we need to collect some bottles.
And I'm collecting bottles, but this guy is making videos of how to steal the scooter without paying.
But
Check it out.
I'm not telling in every video.
Check it out.
You need to
He's
search.
gonna show you how he's. So it's about 8 o'clock in the night, and we are out here looking for the bottles still. So we got this 2, 3. So we got 3 bottles more.
Gleis 1, Einfahrt S7 nach Ain über München Hauptbahnhof in Abschnitt B und C.
So I realize all the bins here, they're not easy to work with. It's really kind of like so, how can I say? It's kind of like so close that you can't really put your hand in. So I'm gonna go to the next place and see how it goes. Yeah.
So right now we are in the park, and yeah, it's where we're trying to get our bottles, and we're trying to see if we can get any bottle. But the problem is, in every business there's competition, so the other people are picking the bottles. So probably before I get there, they're already taken. So that's the other problem. But the hustle continues.
So guys, this is day 3 of our search, and it's early morning like you can see. So here it's hard.
For starters, I wanted to explain something about the bottles. Like in German, basically to keep the trash off the streets, most of the bottles are sold back. There's a machine you can take the bottle to, and they will cash you like with the receipt, which can be cashed or exchanged for goods about from 25 cents, and the minimum is about 8 cents as for the glass bottles. So we're good enough, the weather is good and no complaining, and yeah, I hope my audio is good because like it's crazy, it's spring and it's really windy, so yeah, let's see. So like we are here and see the hustle. Let's see if we have something. Zero. There is nothing there, so we are still heading over. See, yeah. The problem is there's a lot of competition with the same business. Every business has a competition, so it's not surprising that I've not found something, but you keep going. We're gonna see. It's a weekend and we gotta find something at least today.
Yusuf,
There is a bottle, but it's not working. It's not a refund bottle, so but we have two now. So we have two bottles right here. So we have some right now, and yeah, we're still going. Let's see what we have here. I think we got a bottle. Nah, it's not having a P fan, so let's keep going. So like we are trying. Hey. Ah, ja, gibt Andre mit P-Fan. Keine P-Fan. From like, oh, it's been like 2 hours. We've been looking for the same thing, like always. So we're just trying to get over to another town so we can see what we get. So I'm waiting for a train right now. I'm at a train station, like you can see. Like you can see, it's a train station. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not a pure fun. Let's go. And It's really nice.
Them for sale. It's a lot of bags.
Yes, a lot of bags.
And probably we shall buy some pizza and ice cream.
Let's see what we have here. I think we got a bottle. No, it's not having a big fight, so let's keep going. Normally the machine is like this, and all you have to do is to put in the bottle. As you can see, each bottle costs 55 cents. No, I think the machine is full. No, it's not. I thought the machine is full because the bottles were not going. So we already have €1. The beer bottles don't cost a lot. You're gonna see an increase of 10 cents, and we are gonna get a receipt.
So here we are packing the bags to take